Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download contact lists from Apollo and enrich your LinkedIn outreach step by step clearly. To download contact lists from Apollo, first, log in to your Apollo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contacts section on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all your existing contacts. If you want to create a new list, click on Create List at the top right corner of the page. Choose an appropriate name for your new contact list and save it. To add contacts, use the search feature to find specific prospects. You can filter by job title, location, or industry for more targeted results. Select the contacts you wish to add by checking the boxes next to their names. Once you have selected your contacts, click on the Add to List button. Choose the new list you created and confirm the action. After adding contacts, return to the main Contacts section. To download your contact list, click on the Export button. Select the format you prefer, usually CSV works best for integration with other tools. Once the file is prepared, a download link will appear. Click the link to save the file to your computer. Now, let's enrich your LinkedIn outreach using this contact list. Open LinkedIn and go to the search bar at the top. Upload your contact list into a suitable CRM or outreach tool that integrates with LinkedIn. Map the fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in the CRM. Check for any errors in the mapping before proceeding. Once everything is mapped correctly, upload the list. After uploading, you can begin segmenting your contacts for targeted outreach. Use the information from your contact list to personalize your connection requests. Draft a compelling message that highlights mutual interests or connections. Send out your connection requests and follow up as necessary. Monitor your outreach results for further optimization of your strategy. Review the responses and adjust your messaging as needed for future campaigns. This process will streamline your LinkedIn outreach and enhance your networking effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.